Bakit nga ba mahilig sa mga tight spaces or mga boxes, bowls ang mga pusa natin? Hi guys, Doc Ara here. First is they feel safe and in control. Kasi kapag maliit yung space, tapos may feeling sila na protected sila from certain predators. Next is perfect body physics ang mga cats natin. Ang utak nila, if I fits, I sits. Since yung mga curled up position kasi, it conserves body heat and comforting para sa kanila to. Stress reduction. Kasi lalo na kapag overwhelming na sa kanilang environment, they go to small spaces to relieve anxiousness. So, when life is overwhelming, yun yung comfort zone nila. Ownership vibes. Akin tong bowl na to at akin tong rice cooker na to. So, kung may pwesto silang ganon sa kanila na yon, na-claim na nila. Technically, they just love making their own territory. And minsan, cats are just really curious. Kapag ganun, gusto lang nila itry, gusto nila pumasok. And dahil sa mga chaotic experiments nila, it's just a bit funny. And then to the point na nagustuhan na nila. So kapag hindi pinansin ng pusa mo yung expensive na kama na binili mo, at mas pinili pa niya yung rice cooker or salad bowl nyo, well, they're just being a cat. So kayo, paano nga ba yung ugali ng pusa nyo? What are your cat's quirks? Comment it down below. And if you have other concerns, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.